Come and learn the art of Sgraffito with me. I bring the plates ready to Sgraffito. You decide on your design. You place it on a piece of tracing paper. Then using a stylus, you trace it onto your plate. Using scratch tools, you scratch away to create the design that's called Sgraffito. It's as easy as using a pencil. Sgraffito plate workshops will be held on March 7th at Historic Trappe, March 21st at the Pennsylvania Guild of Craftsmen in Lancaster, and April 25th at the Landis Valley Museum outside of Lancaster. Please sign up at least a week ahead of time. Let's celebrate America 250 together. Visit willspottery.com/schedule. DM me if you have questions or email Denise at willspottery.com. Hope to see you.